I'm Caroline Pond, donor of the Pond Room that is intended for teaching and scientific research, particularly focused on conservation, but the material can be used for any medical or biological research. And one of the things I want to show you now is about elephants. Now, elephants are very large, they live a very long time, certainly in excess of 60 years, and they eat an extremely tough diet of tough grasses, bark, wood, and really tough leaves. And so I want to show you how they manage to combine these attributes, which is largely due to the special properties of their teeth. And these are features of teeth of elephants and the whole family, the whole Proboscidean family, mammoths, mastodons, and the extinct members of the family. And essentially they have this trick that instead of using all their molar teeth simultaneously, as most mammals, including ourselves, do, the molar teeth are very large and they erupt sequentially. So only one is in use at any one time. For example, here we have a little molar tooth of a baby elephant. This was an elephant that was less than a year old. And you can see that this end is smoother and this end is much more ridged, because this is simply an area that's been worn down. And it is also, this is the gum line. As the top got worn down, the distance between the gum line and the wear surface also got smaller compared to here. And the teeth, of course, are supported by roots, and at this end the roots are really very large, but at this end the roots are small, shrinking and dying. And what happens is that the teeth gradually move forward. As you can see here, this tooth is almost worn smooth, it's got very thin, these roots have died, and only this one remains. So this tooth here, which is just forming, would have been under the gum line and invisible in the living animal. So these two would have been invisible, but as this tooth got worn down and gradually dropped out, this one would have followed it. And then these two here we have in the jaw here, the next lot of teeth. And this process went on until all the 9 or so molar teeth had formed, got worn down, fallen out, replaced by another. And when the elephant gets to the end of its teeth, it is so worn down, the animal cannot chew its food property, so it dies of starvation. It lives that long.